It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms when I fall into your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say they were never true, and the game you'd play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. But it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. When I lay with you, I could stay there and close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say they were never true, and the game you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. But it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flame. But it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you had must be waiting for you. Even now we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flame. When it felt something dark, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time.
That was Adela from the Vaughan School. From the Vaughan School, we have Adela. And from the Ali School, Samantha Gray. Now, remember we said earlier that all of them are our heroes. And at this time, we want you to applaud the entire group. And let them know how they did. Special congratulations to the 4 students who have qualified and will be going forward to the next round. On behalf of the organizers and everybody here, we want to wish you well. And we will be looking for you at the finals. Okay? You can all go off stage now. Thank you so much.